Title of the story: The Hair-Cutting Witch. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a witch who loved to cut hair. Her name was Wanda, and her favorite thing was to sneak into the village at night with her silver scissors. She would trim people's hair while they slept, leaving everyone in the morning with strange, uneven haircuts. No one knew who was behind the mysterious haircuts, but everyone called her the hair-cutting witch. One night, a little girl named Lily decided to find out who was cutting everyone's hair. She stayed up late and pretended to sleep, waiting to catch the witch. Sure enough, at midnight, Wanda crept into her room, scissors gleaming in the moonlight. But as Wanda moved close, Lily opened her eyes and said, "Why are you cutting people's hair without asking?" Wanda was surprised. "I love giving haircuts," she replied softly. "But I'm too shy to ask anyone." Lily smiled and said, "You don't have to sneak around. If you asked, I'm sure people would love a new haircut from you." The next morning, Lily introduced Wanda to the villagers and explained everything. The villagers were a little surprised, but agreed to let Wanda give haircuts, as long as she asked first. From that day on, Wanda became the village's official hairdresser. She gave everyone stylish haircuts, and they loved her for it. Wanda was happy too, and she never had to sneak around again. Moral: always ask for permission, and don't be afraid to share your talents openly.